Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download music from SoundCloud on Android. So I'm going to use this application called Soundloader for SoundCloud. You can download it from the link in the description below. So before I begin, this is Iperial Android, and if you want to learn some Android tips and tricks, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for future video updates. Well, that being said, let's get started. So as you can see guys, I'm here in the SoundCloud application. So now what you need to do is play a music. And as you can see, I'm playing a music here guys. So I'm gonna now show you how you can download this music here and save it to your phone storage. So now you need to hit the share button right over there, as you can see. And at the share window, you will get to see this Soundloader icon here. If you have the Soundloader app installed, you will get this icon. So if you want to download it, just go ahead and download this app. And now what you want to do is simply click it, and I think you're done here, and it will load for 2 to 3 seconds. So as you can see, the song is downloaded as my notification says. Once it is downloaded, the song will be saved to your phone storage. So there you have it guys. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share this video, and check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button in there. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.